This has got to be the weirdest video that you all have watched today because it's probably just a bunch of people laying in their beds.
Hey guys, my name is Ashley. I've never really considered buying myself luxury sheets.
Hey everyone, my name is Hal. I have to say I am a cheapskate when it comes to sheets.
Hi, my name is Steph, and this week I'm going to be testing out 3 sets of sheets: an affordable set, a middle tier set, and a luxury set. The affordable set is $20 and 150 thread count. The middle tier set is $75 and 300 thread count. And the luxury set is $200 and 480 thread count. I don't really know what thread count means, but I'm excited to find out.
I'm kind of skeptical. I don't think luxury, expensive sheets are really gonna change how I sleep.
I'm not a believer yet. I think the sheets I have right now are just fine, but I am happy to be proved wrong, and I'm excited to see what the luxury lifestyle has to offer.
They just feel like cheap, but so far they've done the trick.
Okay, hey you guys, it is Tuesday morning and my hair is latatitu crazy. I'm on my cheap sheets. I still really like them. I like stan cheap sheets. I feel like when it's a bargain, I sleep better, you know? They are crunchy. I kind of feel a little bit like paper.
It is the first morning of my $20 sheets, and I am very tired. I did a lot of tossing and turning. I feel kind of sore. I've been sleeping in sheets like this pretty much my whole life, but I just feel tired and I just want to go back to bed.
We sleep on Amazon recommended products at the lowest price point possible, and I honestly have no complaints. I don't necessarily dream of coming home and getting wrapped up in my sheets, but if I did, would I ever get anything done?
I do think they're a little loud. Excited to try the next set of sheets, the middle expensive pair. Is it a pair of sheets? Is that what it's called? A pair of sheets? Set of sheets? Set of sheets is probably what it's called.
All right, I am excited to say that I am finally done with the cheap $20 sheets. It is now time to put on the good full sheets, probably the nicest sheets I've ever tried before, so I'm very excited to try them out.
Oh yeah. They're very slippery and silky too. I cannot wait to put these on my bed. Let's do it. What do you think? Yeah?
All right. It's time to make my bed and put on the new sheets. I really like them a lot. They're very soft, are nice and cool, but are also keeping me warm. You know the sheet feeling where it's it's cool, but it's also a sheet and it's in your bed so you're warm. You know that feeling? Anyways, that's what these Macy's sheets are giving me. Eek, I love sleeping.
I have to leave for work in 20 minutes and I'm still laying here. But I woke up and I was just so comfy that I just don't want to get up. I love these sheets so much. I've never had a nice high thread count sheets. I didn't even really know what it meant, and it really makes a difference. I'm just gonna lay here all day.
Okay, so I just woke up. I slept on the mid-tier sheets last night. Here they are. Look, this is the pillow. Ooh. I feel like it's always nice to when you get into bed and it's a cool bed, you know? And that's what these sheets were. Yeah, I like them. They're solid.
We didn't make the bed this morning, and we found Penny loving the new Goodwill sheets.
Penny's been such a good sport with all of these changes. Yeah, I think she's okay.
Today, I am a new woman because I have $200 sheets, like a boss bitch.
It's time for the luxury sheets. Pretty much look like any other sheet I've ever seen. They feel so soft. The thread count is 480. That is a lot.
They're so soft. I'm sure they'll keep us, cool at night and warm in the morning and all the nice, wonderful things that nice, wonderful sheets do. I'm ready to put these on my bed. I will definitely be looking forward to coming back to this bed all day.
Let's do it. Let's make my bed. Done. I can't wait to sleep in this bed. Just making the bed, feeling the sheets and how soft they were, and they also seem to have that cooling effect that the Goodwill sheets had. I am so excited to come back tonight and go to bed.
I think they were really nice. I liked them. They're like a little bit like slicker. You could tell they're a little bit higher quality than like the sheets that you would buy at like a regular store. The one thing that I could tell like right away is that when you got into them, they're a little bit like cooler, like actually cooler. I think that's probably just because like the material that is used, I don't know, or like the thread count.
What do you think, Pen? What are your thoughts? Oh, she's into it.
She loves the luxury lifestyle.
Colin, how'd you sleep last night?
I slept well. It was getting into bed that I really noticed the difference. It really seemed a little luxurious, a little bit satin-like. Slide over and kiss you goodnight, easily.
I'm a lucky lady.
Okay, so last night I slept in the luxury sheets and it was magical. Just consistently comfortable throughout the night. They're so silky. They just like slide around in the best kind of way. I wish you could touch these. I wish I could just give this to you and you could touch it and feel it. Ugh, it's just so soft.
I did some research and these retail for like $200 or something crazy like that. And I fully just don't think that is necessary. They're so nice. They're so nice. They feel really good, but they're just not worth it. They're just not worth the price point. It just seems out of control how expensive these are. I think if I were to buy sheets again, I have to say I might just spend the $20. Like,
I am excited that I did finally get to try luxury sheets because that's something that I've always kind of been afraid to try. It's like a big investment and you don't really know if it's gonna make a huge difference. But I actually think that it does make a difference. And it's gonna be hard to go back to $20 sheets after this. I think I'm changed forever. I do think that these are a little bit excessive. I think the middle tier, the $75 sheets, were obviously not as good as these, but they were still like really good. So if I was gonna pick one of these for like the rest of my life, I would probably go with the middle tier $75 Goodful sheets just because they were really soft. They had that nice, refreshing cooling effect. I think they were even better at cooling than these sheets, which is crazy.
Over the past week, I have tested out 3 different sets of sheets, and I am going to pull a Goldilocks and say that the $75 middle of the line sheets are the way to go. They were more than I had ever spent on sheets, but they didn't break the bank, and it was a huge quality of life upgrade for me. I'll have them for like probably ever. Also, Mother Nature benefits from this too because the way we turn around textiles right now is really pretty egregious. So to buy something that you love that will last you for years will be a quality of life upgrade for you, an investment for you, and help out Mother Nature. It's a complete win across the board.